Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking a super easy but delicious stir-fried instant noodles. I love the unique texture of instant noodles, but the soup sachet attached is usually artificially made, so I try not to use it if possible. Today I used my own seasonings and created a gourmet version of instant noodles. The prawn is very juicy. The noodles are chewy and the onion is sweet and crisp. Okay, let's start cooking now. This recipe is for one serving. I used 6 pieces of prawns without shell. Cut the prawns from the back for as deep as possible, but do not cut through. Marinate the prawns with some white pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, quarter teaspoon salt. Mix the seasonings well with the prawns and then set it aside. 2 stalks of green onion. Dice the white portion to small pieces and cut the green portion to about 5 cm long. Two cloves of garlic, cut to thin slices. 1 red onion, cut to medium-sized slices, and then separate the layers. 4 white button mushrooms, cut to slices. Finally, 1 piece of instant noodles. Now we start cooking. Put 1 tablespoon oil to the wok and heat up the oil. Put the white button mushrooms in, put about quarter teaspoon salt in, and then saute for 1 minute. Put 30 ml water in, put the lid on, and let it cook for 1 minute. 1 minute later, open the lid. As you can see, there are still a lot of water in the wok. Saute until all the water evaporated, and then transfer the mushrooms to a plate. Wash the wok, put it back to the stove, and put 1 tablespoon oil in. Heat up the oil, and then put the prawns in. Pan fry the prawns until they are fully cooked. And then put the white part of the green onion and the garlic slices in. Give everything a few toasts. And then put the red onion in. Toast everything together for about 1 minute. And then transfer to a plate. It is not necessary to wash the wok. Fill up the wok with tap water, put the lid on, and bring it to boil. We will use the water to cook the noodles. The charred bits at the bottom of the wok will dissolve at the water and season the noodles a bit. Therefore, I didn't wash the wok. Put the noodles in and cook until it is loosened. Drain the water. Wash the wok and put it back to the stove. Put half tablespoon oil in, heat up the oil, and then put the noodles back to the wok. Give the noodles a few stirs, and then put all the cooked ingredients in. Put in 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half teaspoon garlic powder, some white pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Toast the seasonings well with the noodles and the ingredients. As I don't use much oil, if you see the noodles start sticking at the bottom of the wok, add a little bit water in to loosen the noodles and make the toasting easier. If you are using a non-stick wok or pan, you shouldn't have this problem. Give everything a few good toasts. Put the green part of the green onion in. Mix everything well together, and then this stir-fried instant noodle is done. This healthier version of instant noodle is so flavorful and scrumptious. Instant noodles are not only chewy, but also offer a unique noodle texture. Prawns are juicy and the onions are crisp and sweet. I like this recipe very much and I hope you will give it a try. If you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!